Are you and your friends competitive?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you like doing chores?
No. No.
Then you should try Roommate Rumble.
Introducing Roommate Rumble, the app that turns your chores into a competitive fun and daily task. You can challenge your roommates, your friends, your family, and you can see a leaderboard with all the scores of who did the most chores. Now, I know I'll get the bragging rights when I finish all the chores around my house, like all the dirty clothes. To actually make Roommate Rumble, we use a combination of different technologies. For our front-end and back-end, we use Next.js's app router with TypeScript, which allowed us to make responsive pages, handle security, and write our backend in the same directory as our front-end. In the future, we can have email sign-up since we're using NextAuth, and we can have those types of integrations too to make sign-ins a little bit easier. For our database, we use Neon Database, and we used quite an interesting scheme. We had tables being created for each group automatically, which would contain chore data and store image data too. On top of that, we had a group table which would let roommates join more than one group, leave groups, and manage their own group. And that would all be dynamic, and it would all work flawlessly. To collaborate, we used VS Code's Live Share extension, which let us edit live with each other as we were in person, and to save our changes, well, of course, we used GitHub. Finally, our deployment was handled for free using Vercel since we were using Next.js.
Let me show you how Roommate Rumble works in real time. Imagine it's a Sunday morning and your living space is a disaster. You can open Roommate Rumble, and right away, after joining your group, you can see a list of pending chores: vacuuming, dishes, laundry. Hit start, and once you finish your task, mark as complete. And before you know it, you're ahead of your roommates on the leaderboard. The home screen is clean and easy to navigate, just like your new living space. Easily access your group's leaderboard, available tasks, and even create new groups for roommates or family members. Here, I can create a group with mom and dad. We'll name it family. Our second functionality is the dashboard, which displays all the tasks from every group that you're in. In my case, I have chores from both my Waterloo group and my family group. Now you can easily view every task while lying down in your squeaky clean living room.
With Roommate Rumble, we're turning housework into a game that everyone wants to play. Join the Roommate Rumble revolution today. May the best roomie win!